Time for unboxing of my new SENA 60S that just got received from Komodo, which is Revzilla. And let's do an unboxing of it today and then figure out maybe today or tomorrow how to install it on my new KLIM Krios Pro helmet. Alright, so let's open this one up. And to start the unboxing, this is the SENA 60S. It's fairly new. Been out for a couple of months on the market. I bought a new helmet, so I did need a either to move my old communication system over from the old helmet or get a new system. And I did find that the 60S is available. I paid for this with my own money, so it's not given to me, which gives me the opportunity to say whatever I want about it. SENA 60S. How do we get into this thing? Alright, some more cutting. I guess that's the warranty out the window. Let's do that so everybody can see. 60S. There's some stuff in the this container. It's a stick-on mount for the helmet. It's a USB-C cable for charging and updating software. It is a boom microphone for the boom microphone option. It is a stick-on microphone, which I will use since this is not a flip-up helmet. It is padding for the speakers if you want them further closer to your ear. You put this in the helmet and then the speaker on top of that, so it's a space. It's about 1/4 of an inch. And I believe this adapter is if you would like to use your own earplugs. If you have earplugs with speakers in it, you want to plug this in instead of using the speakers that comes with it. So this is the system. It comes with the 2 speakers already installed to this mount. This mount has a bracket on the back to go inside the helmet, and this mount has the boom mount attached to it, which I will not be using. There should be another mount under here, so it has the boom style microphone as well. So let's see what's under here. First, we have the mount that I will be using. That's also have 2 speakers, so you get 2 mounts, one for a helmet that is not a flip-up, and one that's a flip-up helmet. That's what I will use this type of microphone to it. It could be used on a fixed helmet as well. You just have to stick it under, but it's less attractive in my opinion. So this is the mount I will be using. Comes with a few different plates. So one is white, one is dark silver, one is black, and the one that comes on the unit, it's kind of black. Let's take the protective plastic of it and see what color it actually is. I'll say that's a grayer gray plate, and this one is a black plate, so I have to figure out which one works best for my helmet. And apparently this is a magnetic mount, so it says push up, And apparently you have to, yep, there you go. It came off the mount, so it's just a magnetic, slides down on a USB-C port. And on the mount that I intend to use, there is a protective plate on there. Apparently you use that plate, it's also magnetic, on the helmet you're not using. So I took that protective cover off. I will take my unit, and wow, it just sucked right down there. I will change most likely the plate on it. Looking at my helmet, I think that I will use the black plate. That will actually look the best. Silver is not bad, but I think the black is going to be the best. So let's see if we can take this off the mount. Just pull straight up. By the way, it comes with the 4 different face plates. It also comes with 4 different rings for this, so you can match the color to that. So let's see if we can get this off here. And pull on the side here. Yeah, that came loose. That came loose, and here it is. That's the silver gray plate. And I think for now, let's see which one looks best on the helmet here. I might like the plate that actually came with it the best. So let's take the protective plastic of that and see how it really looks. I assume there was plastic on it. Maybe it's not. This one has well, it has plastic on it. All right, I figured that out at a different time. But so this is what it comes with. It comes with the mount that has a boom microphone installed to it. Ideally, will be used for a flip-up helmet. You can have that under. It comes with the mount I intend to use for my KLIM Krios Pro, and I'm going to put the speakers in. I'm going to use the small microphone that I'm going to glue to the front of the helmet, and that's going to be my installation. So that's the unboxing. I will install it in the helmet in the next video, and at the same time I will start it up and I will update the software as well through the app. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.